guys, I'm the TheCubeSolver. I will be teaching you on how to solve a Megaminx. I expect that you already know how to solve a 3x3 before arriving to this tutorial. This has 12 sides with 12 different colors. The centers are also fixed. There are 5 edges and 5 corners as well. It is actually deceptively difficult, but it is not as much as you think. It's quite difficult to hold this puzzle at first, but you'll get used to it eventually. In this tutorial, we will have 5 layers. Later, you'll be more enlightened on how we do on each layer. This will be the first layer. This one is the second layer. This is the third layer, the fourth layer, and this is the fifth layer. I'll start with the white side, like we usually do. Instead of making a cross, we'll do a star. Since there are 5 edges, we will now find the edge piece with the white on it. Now this is an edge piece with white on it. You can simply bring it up, turn the top side and find its center. Now you have one already. This one, it belongs to the violet side. What I will do is to bring this to this violet side. Now it matches up with this violet center and you can simply bring it up. You just have to be familiar on how every side moves around this puzzle. It's quite complicated at first on how every side transfer pieces. There will be a time when you can have your own way on how to solve this. This one, it belongs to the red side. Bring it in here. It matches up with the center. You can simply bring it up. This one to the yellow side. Bring it in here. Matches up with the yellow center. Bring it up. Now for the blue side, actually is a dark blue side because there is a light one in here. Now the white and blue edge piece in here, we just have to get it out of this place. It's like that, just like what we usually do on a 3x3 cube. Bring it to the blue side and you can simply bring it up. Now we already have the star. Next we have to place the 5 corners. We'll have to find corners that have a white on it. This one. There's a white, blue, and red corner piece. Where is the white, blue, and red? It's in here. I would like to bring this piece all the way to its proper place. Now it's in here. Get it out of the way. Bring this right side down. Bring this downside back and bring it up. This is also a corner piece that has a white on it. Now I would like to bring this all the way to its proper place. It's like what we do earlier. You can simply bring it up. Now this piece. Now the white side is facing the bottom. You can simply bring this side down and bring it all the way to our front. Now you can bring it up in here like this. Now this one is also facing the bottom. Bring it to the back. Bring it to the front. Get this side back. Now you can simply bring it up in here. Easy as to that. Now for this last piece, now it's also facing the bottom. Get it in the back, bring it to the front, bring it back. Now you can simply bring it up in here. That's it. Now if you have the situation like this where it is on the proper side but it's not properly oriented, now what we do is just like what we do on a 3x3 cube. Get it out of this place, bring it down. Now you can simply bring this piece in here, get it out of the way, bring this left side down, bring the downside back and bring it up. Now we're done with the first layer. For our second layer, we'll do the same process with the 3x3. Now we have to find edge pieces. There are a lot of edge pieces in this cube, so you might be struggling to find one. Now this is an edge piece that should be in here. Now you can align this green side to the green center. Now in doing the algorithm, just have to face a cube like this. It will be the right side, the top side, and the downside. Now the usual algorithm, it is going to the right, down prime, right prime, down, right. Face this piece, down, left, down prime, left prime. This one, Align it with the green center. It is going to the left, down, prime, left prime, down prime, down, right. We have this yellow and violet in here. You can simply bring it up in here. Now, if you will align this piece with the yellow side, you can't bring this piece in here. But you can only bring this piece in here, which is not appropriate right now. Now what you have to do is bring it down and align it with the violet center. Now it is going to the left, down prime, left prime. Face this corner piece, down prime, down, right. For this last two edge pieces. Now we have this blue and red edge piece. Now you can simply bring it all the way in here, align it with the red center. It's going to the right, down prime, down, right. Face this piece, down, left, down prime, left prime. For our last edge piece, align it with the yellow side. It is going to the left, down, prime, left prime. Face this piece, down prime, down, right. Again, if you have the situation like this, it's in the proper place but it's not properly oriented, we do like we usually do on a 3x3 cube. Get this piece out of this place and bring it back in the right way. Now you can use either of this piece. I would like to choose this piece. It's going to the right, down prime, down, right. Face this piece, down, left, down prime, left prime. Now you can already bring this piece on this place. Align it with the blue center. It's going to the right, down prime, down, right. Face this piece, down, left, down prime, left prime. When you are transferring pieces, avoid bringing it to the side, which is already done. Bring it at the bottom instead. For example, this piece, I would like to transfer it all the way to the other side. I have to do is bring it in here, bring it in here, bring it in here, bring it in here. Now there it is. By that, you cannot mess up this side, which is already done. Now, we're done with the second layer. We'll move forward to the third layer. I suggest turning the puzzle upside down. This one, we have to choose a side to start with. Now, I'll start with the cream side. What we have to do is to find the corner piece for this place. It is a cream, red, and green. At first, it will be difficult to find pieces because there are a lot of pieces in a Megaminx. Now I'll show you how will we be able to put the corner piece in here. Now it's already in here. Now this is already on the right place. Now what you have to do, this cream side is facing you. This corner piece is also facing you at its cream side. Now what you have to do is bring it all the way to the bottom. As easy as that. Now we have to find edges for these two sides. There is no exact algorithm for this. These two sides, it is a cream and green, cream and red. This is a cream and green. Now what you have to do is bring it to the top. Bring it at the side of the cream. Now this piece belongs in this place. What you have to do is bring the front face clockwise. Bring this left side down because you have this corner piece in here. You have to get this piece out of the way. Bring the front face clockwise again, twice. You have to look out for this piece. This piece should be positioned on its opposite side, which is cream and red. Now, within it's already on the opposite side, you have to bring this left side back and this front face back as well. That's it. You have to find the other piece. The cream and red piece. It's in here. Just have to do is to bring it to the top so you can travel it easily and look for it easily. Now it is going to this side. Now you have to turn the front face counterclockwise. Bring this right side down. Turn this front face twice. Now when it is already on its opposite side, bring this right side back and bring the front face back. Now we're done with this side. Moving forward to the other sides, this is a pink side. The corner piece that should be in here is pink, blue, and red. This is a pink, blue, and red in here. Now, if it is facing at the blue side, we just have to turn it. So it'll face us at its pink side. Bring it down in here. Now, find the other two edge pieces for this side. Pink and red, pink and blue. This is a pink and red. Bring it to the top. Bring it to the pink side. It is going to this place. Front face clockwise. Get this corner piece out of the way. Bring it to the opposite side in here. Bring this left side back. Bring the front face back. Now we have to find the pink and blue edge piece. It's in here. You can simply bring it up and bring it to its center. Now it should be in here. Bring this front face counterclockwise. Bring this left side down. Get it out of the way. Put this piece on its opposite side. Bring this right side down and bring the front face back. Now you just have to do it again and again for the other sides. This one, this is a light green, yellow, and dark blue. This piece is perfect for this corner. You just have to bring it down in here. Now it matches up. We need the light green and dark blue edge piece, light green and yellow. This is a light green and dark blue edge piece. So it's already at the right place. Bring the front face clockwise. Get this corner piece out of the way. Bring this piece to the opposite side. Get this left side back and the front face back. The other piece, the light green and yellow edge piece. This is in here. Now you can simply bring it up and travel it to its proper center. Now it is going in here, in this place. Front face counterclockwise. Bring this corner down. Bring that edge piece on its opposite side. Bring this right side back and bring the front face back. For our next center, the orange, violet, and yellow. Now it's already at this place but not properly oriented. We just have to get this piece out of this place first. Since that this side is not yet correct, you can simply bring it up like this and you can bring it back again in here. We need the orange and yellow edge piece, orange and violet edge piece. We have this orange and yellow edge piece in here. Align it with the center orange, front face clockwise. Bring this corner out of the way. Bring this piece on the opposite side. Bring this left side back and the front face back as well. Now the other piece, it's in here. You can simply bring it all the way to its center. It's going in here. Front face counterclockwise. Bring this corner out of the way. Bring this edge piece on the opposite side. Bring this right side back and the front face back. Now for our final center, we have to find light blue, dark green, and violet. This one. Now it's already facing us. You can simply bring it down. Now we already have this light blue and violet edge piece in here. Now we have to bring this piece in here. Now what we have to do is you cannot just simply bring it in here because this blue side should be facing us. Now what you have to do is this, and this side is already fixed so you can mess up with this one. Now bring the front face clockwise. Bring this left side down. Bring this front face back and this left side back. Now you already have this edge piece in here. You can simply bring it in here. Front face counterclockwise. Bring this corner out of the way. Bring this edge piece on its opposite side. Bring the right side back and bring the front face back. Now, if you have a situation like this wherein the edge piece is in the proper place but it's not properly oriented, We will do the same process, but we will put another edge piece in here so we can bring this piece back in here in a proper way. Now what you have to do is to choose any edge piece in here and bring this in here. Now it's going up in here. Bring this front face clockwise. Get this corner out of the way. Bring it to the opposite side. Bring this left side back and bring this front face back. Now we can simply bring this piece in here. Bring it to the top. Align it with the center. Bring this left side back so it'll not be messed up. Now same process. Just like that. Now if you have a situation like this wherein these two edge pieces are exchanged places, now we can put another piece in either of these places. So we can pull out one and we can do the same process. Now I want to use this piece. I want to put it in here. Front face clockwise. Get this corner out of the way. Bring this to the opposite side. Bring this left side back and the front face back. Now I can simply bring this piece in here. Now same process. Front face counterclockwise. Bring this corner out of the way. Bring this piece to the opposite side. Bring this right side back and this front face back. Now we can freely bring this piece in here. Now just like what we do earlier, bring this front face clockwise, align it with the center, bring it back, and bring the right side back as well. Now same process, front face clockwise, get this corner and edge piece out of the way, bring this to the opposite side, bring this left side back, and this front face back. To finish the third layer, I'll turn the puzzle upside down so we can see it better when we place the corner pieces in these places. We will find corner pieces that do not have the color of the opposite of our first layer, which is gray. Each corner piece has a different top side. Like this one, this requires a corner piece with a green, light blue, and cream. So this one requires a red, cream, and pink. Now this corner piece belongs in here. Now we can simply align it like this. Get it out of the way. Bring this right side down, downside back, and bring it up. This one should be in here, but the yellow side is facing at the bottom. Get it to the back and bring it to the front. Now you're facing this yellow side. Face it like this. It should be in here. Get it out of the way. Left side down, downside back, and bring it up. Now for this piece belongs in here. It's also facing the bottom side. Bring it to the back. We should see it on the front. Bring this side back. Now it's ready to be here. Get it out of the way. Bring this left side down. Bring this downside back and bring it up. This one is also facing the bottom side. Bring it to the back. Now to the front. Now should be facing this in here. Get it out of the way. Bring this left side down. Bring this downside back and bring it up. Now this one is already on the right place but not properly oriented. We can bring it down. Make sure that this red side is facing us when we bring it down. Put it in here. Get it out of the way. Bring this left side down, downside back, and bring it up. That's it. We're done with the third layer. The fourth will just be the same with the second layer, wherein we just place edges to its proper places. Now this one is going to the left. This is the top side, the left side, and the downside. Down, left, down prime, left prime. Face this piece. This will be the right side. Down prime, down, right. Now this piece is already matched up with the center. It is going to the left also. Down, left, down prime, left prime. Face this piece. Down prime, down, right. Now this piece, this pink and light green piece, we should match this up with this pink center. It is going to the right, down prime, down, right. Face this piece, down, left, down prime, and left prime. Now for this orange and blue edge piece, it is going to the right. Now, down prime, down, right. Face this piece, down, left, down prime, left prime. This one is flipped but on the proper place. We can use another piece to bring in here so we can pull it out. I will use this piece. It is going to the right, down prime, down, right. Face this piece, down, left, down prime, and left prime. Bring this piece in here. Now it matches up with the center. It is going to the right, down prime, down, right. Face this piece, down, left, down prime, and left prime. Now for our last layer, bring the bezel upside down again so we can see it better. For the purpose of doing algorithms, this is the front side, right side, left side, top side. In this tutorial, I'll call this as the back left and the back right if you are facing this side. But if you are facing the puzzle like this, it is the front right, front left, back right, left. Now on our last layer, instead of making a cross, we will make a star. Now if you have one edge piece correct in here, but you'll never have no edge piece correct in Megaminx, you'll always have at least one, that's for sure. Now, same algorithm, place this one right piece on this right side. Front, right, up, right prime, up prime, and front. When you have three edge pieces next to each other, place it on the left, and back right. These are the three edge pieces. Same algorithm, front, right, up, right prime, up prime, and front prime. Now, if you have three edge pieces, two are next to each other and the other one is isolated like this. Place the two next to each other on the back left and one on the right, like this one. Same algorithm, front, right, up, right prime, up prime, and front prime. Now, we already have the star. Next, we have to place these edge pieces to its proper centers. Now in Megaminx, there are two edge pieces that are fixed when we do the algorithm. Now if there is one correct edge piece, face it and do the algorithm. Same algorithm like what we do on a 3x3 cube. Right, up twice, right prime, right, up prime, and right. Now, if you have two correct edge pieces next to each other like this one, face the correct one at your front and the other one at the left. Same algorithm, right, up twice, right prime, up prime, and right prime. Now, it's done. Now, if you're having the situation wherein you have one correct edge piece in here, one correct edge piece in here, they are not next to each other. Now you have to evaluate their places. These two are fixed. Our goal is to bring correct edge pieces next to each other. Now, if these two are fixed, you can never have this pink piece in here. But you can also never have this blue piece in here, since that the blue piece in here is fixed. Now, let's look at the other correct edge piece. You will think of it again. This green piece will be fixed in here. So you can never have the blue piece in here. This side requires green, but the green piece is in here, which is fixed. Now you can't face this side. You can never solve the edges by looking at this face or at this face. Now for the last one, you have to put the one correct at the right and the one correct at the left. Now these two are fixed. Now what you have to do is to correct the piece in here on this side. this is pink, and the pink piece is not locked in here too. So you can face this side and do the algorithm. Right, up twice, right prime, up prime, right, up prime, and right. Now, if it's not yet still correct, this back side, you have to do it again, facing this side. Right, up twice, right prime, up prime, right, up prime, and right prime. Now, you already have this pink and cream correct. Do the same that what we did earlier. Put this at the front and this one at the left. Right, up twice, right prime, up prime, right, up prime, and right prime. Now we're done placing the edges. Next, for the corners, for the purpose of algorithms, this is the top side, right side, left side. What we have to do is to place corners at the right place, but still not necessarily in the correct orientation. The corners at the front and at the right are fixed. Same algorithm with the 3x3 cube. Now I see we have no correct corner piece in here. So we can face any side with the algorithm. Left prime, up, right, up prime, left, up, right prime, and up prime. We already have one in here. These two pieces are fixed. Now you have to take a look at this. Our goal is to bring two correct corner pieces next to each other first. Now this side requires gray, orange, and green. Now this piece in here is gray, orange, and green. Now if you will face the cube like this, since this side will also be fixed, this piece should be in here. Now you can never have this piece in here because this side will be fixed. Now at this situation, we have to disregard this one correct corner piece, and we can face anywhere and do the same algorithm as if we don't have a correct corner piece. Left prime, up, right, up prime, left, up, right prime, and up prime. Now we already have one in here. Now I believe that we can now face this side, since that this side requires gray, green, and pink, and we have this gray, green, and pink in here. So we can do the algorithm again. Left prime, up, right, up prime, left, up, right prime, up prime. Now if it's not yet still correct, do the algorithm again. Left prime, up, right, up prime, left, up, right prime, up prime. Now if you have two already in here, you can do the algorithm. Face a cube like this, one at the front and the one at this right. Left prime, up, right, up prime, left, up, right prime, and up prime. If it's not yet still correct, do the algorithm again. Left prime, up, right, up prime, left, up, right prime, and up prime. Now I believe we place these corner pieces in their proper places. If you have two correct corners in this situation, this one in here is correct, this one in here is correct. So you can face either. So you can face it like this and do the algorithm. Left prime, up, right, up prime, left, up, right prime, up. Do the algorithm again if it's not yet still correct. Left prime, up, right, up prime, left, up prime, right prime, up prime. Now we already have two in here. Do the algorithm again. Put these two correct in here. Do the algorithm again. Left prime, up, right, up prime, left, up, right prime, and up prime. Now we're done with placing the corners. And lastly, we have to orient the corners. And we'll solve it by piece. Now in this case, you only have two corners that need to be oriented properly. We can start with any piece. I hope you already know this algorithm. It goes like this. We'll start with this one. This is the right side. This is the down side. Okay? Right prime, down prime, right, down. Right prime, down prime, right, down. We have to repeat it over and over until we correct all the corners. Don't worry about the other sides being messed up. It'll be solved eventually as you go on with the process. We just have to move this corner piece in this place so we can also fix it up. Same algorithm, right prime, right, down, right prime, right, down, right prime, right, down, right prime, right, down, and the top side. Now we're done. If you managed to solve it, leave a like in this tutorial, tell your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to click the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.